rain stimulation in Lewisham. Why?
Quaggy river water.
So I'm down on the River Quaggy.
Yay!
So it's got to be branded appropriately. River water will stimulate what rain does on pavements. Because it hasn't rained for ages. We need some rain. What fun in Lewisham town centre I've had with Quaggy river water. Now, if you want to know what this is all really about, check out the next video where I get into a bit of technical, well, I'm not too sure technical DL, but urban green infrastructure, nature-based solutions in Lewisham town centre.